Rights. Bill of Rights. It is the responsibility of the democratic government to ensure that individuals have certain rights and they are recognized by the government in its constitution. There is a list of rights provided and protected by our constitution called Bill of Rights. A Bill of Rights gives the list of fundamental rights and other important rights which are very essential for existence and freedom of an individual. Fundamental rights are necessary for the existence of life because without life, it is useless to have a government and work for the protection of its welfare. For example, if a person has no freedom, then whatever steps the government takes for the development, the person will not be able to make use of it because he does not have liberty to have his goals and aspirations in life. Only freedom allows individual to move around, talk, and build opportunities. Difference between ordinary and fundamental rights. Ordinary rights. Ordinary rights are defined as the rights secured and enforced by ordinary law. Simple majority is required for the amendment of these rights. There are various ordinary rights and they can be modified with time. The judiciary cannot declare the executive and legislative actions as illegal, even if they violate the ordinary rights. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are very important rights, protected and guaranteed by the Constitution. There are 6 fundamental rights in the Constitution of India, which can be amended only when Constitution is amended. It is the responsibility of the judiciary to safeguard fundamental rights from violations, and the judiciary can declare the executive and legislative actions as illegal and void if they violate the fundamental rights.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.